Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back. Let me explain to y'all real quick what's about to happen. Today is release day for the Jordan 33s. I also saw in the sneakers app that the LeBron 16 King versions are supposed to come out. The ones with the leopard print on the heel, I gotta have those. So I'm about to go to the mall. The 33s are not for me. My homeboy can't make it out this early in the morning. I got off work. I'm not in a rush though. It's a new silhouette. You know, it should be plenty of pairs. I have no idea, but that's the maybe I hope it don't come back to bite me the way I'm looking at it. But hey, I got off work, got my son off to school, got in the shower, got dressed. I need to shave. I'm looking crazy. I really don't care. I'm not in a hurry, but I'm gonna get there early. I'm gonna get there early enough. So I'm on my way to the mall. I want y'all to roll with me, man. If y'all new to the channel, please don't hesitate to go back and watch some of my old content. Hit that subscribe button. Keep rocking with your boy. We almost to 1,000 subscribers at this point. Hey, so we rolling. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you've been here, hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video 50 likes. I know everybody done reviewed this sneaker, but who cares? Y'all came here to see me review it. Hopefully I get my hands on it. So let's kill that bird first before we get into that. I'll holla at y'all when we get to the mall. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to walk in the mall. I have absolutely no idea if people are actually lining up for these or not. I don't want to miss out on my homie's pair. I don't think I will. I don't think I had that issue. But I also want to get my hands on these LeBrons. I got a dilemma. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. There's a lot of things going on this morning. If y'all don't know, this will be out after all of this stuff happens. But at 10 o'clock, they got the draw for the off-white joints. Put those on the screen. At 11 o'clock, I was thinking about trying to get on Supreme and maybe get a shoulder bag. And then on top of that, you know, you got these two pairs of sneakers. So I don't know what all to do. I don't know where to put my money. I don't want to waste my time with the draw and then miss out on other stuff waiting to catch that L. So let's go see if they got a line. Hopefully not. First come, first serve. Let's get it. Damn, y'all, look like we got a line. We got people out here in lawn chairs and everything. I'm sure they're here for those LeBrons. So let's see if we can get both. Let's see if we can get the J's and my size and the LeBrons. Well, I caught a slight W. Obviously, I got what I came for. The sneakers app messed me up. The sneakers app said that the bronze come out today. Footlocker said the bronze come out tomorrow. So it's all good. It saved me some money. Depending on how I do on this draw on these off-white 97s, I might come get the LeBrons tomorrow. I might not. We'll see. But I'm going to take y'all back to the house with me. I'm going to see if I can get on Supreme. See if I can cop something off there real quick. If not, I'm good. Let's go look at these sneakers at the house. Alright, y'all. So we made it back to the house. Hey, I didn't get this out of the way in the beginning. Hey, if you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to go back and watch some of my old content and subscribe to the channel. If you've been rocking with your boy, man, let's get this video bumped up. I know everybody and their mother has already early reviewed this sneaker. That's fine. You came to Bobby Sneaker World to see me review the sneaker. Y'all already know, I told y'all earlier, this is not my personal pair. I haven't even opened the box. I have never seen this and I've never seen these in person. I've only seen them on YouTube myself. So one thing you hear a lot of people complain about every time a retro come out, every time a Jordan release come out, when you spending that type of bread, man, we should get some type of crazy box. So you should give us a special box. We should get this, we should get that. And with this box right here, this all white box, and these tabs on the end that say engineered for flight on both sides, the way I would describe it is like on a Levi, on any pair of jeans, I guess, but like Levi jeans, a little tab that says Levi's on it is that type of material. And you got the all white box with a black Jumpman, engineered for flight on both sides in red. Very, very dope. Nobody can say they got gypped on a box on this joint. Woo, okay. All red inside the box, black Jumpman again. You got a card, kind of gives you instructions on how to use the lacing system, I'm assuming. You get 2 of these. That's pretty cool. Now look at this. You got a special foil, silver foil paper. Ooh, I don't want to mess up my man's paper, because like I said, these are not mine. These are a size 12. Y'all know I wear 10 and a half. I'm gonna pull out 1 pair. You only need 1. Now these are dope. I didn't know how I would feel about them once I seen them in person, but I think people's biggest gripe is that we've spent so much time looking at Jordans that they've become like 1 through 14. Everybody says 1 through 14 have become casual sneakers. They've become sneakers that you can just wear around casually. Michael Jordan was a basketball player. He makes basketball sneakers. And that's exactly what this is. That's all that is. That's why a lot of people will not like this shoe, is because it's a basketball shoe. But this is a fire basketball shoe. If you're looking for something to wear around, you know what I'm saying, go out and, you know, you're gonna turn some heads just because they know it's new. But as far as like the silhouette, no, it looks better on court. Let's go through the sneaker a little bit. I don't know much about it, but obviously you have this entirely new lacing system where you pull to tighten it down. You go hit like this is some small strings here that also tightens. You got your tongue. This is pretty stiff. It's black. It's a black like nubuck with a gold embroidered Jumpman, but it's attached to a second tongue behind it to kind of give your ankle more support in the front. You got your Nike Air on the back, which everybody, you know what I'm saying, gets all excited about, and all gold. You got your black and red pull tab on the back. Insole is all red, black Jumpman. Bottom, outsole. You got your, it feels like a turf. It feels like a turf sneaker, like an old Barry Sanders sneaker. I try to find a picture. It looks like that type of outsole. It's all ribbed. You got your gold Jumpman with the clear little thing on the outsole. I don't know exactly what that is. Maybe somebody in the comments can tell me. But it looks like, you know how the inside of a watch right there with your gold Jumpman there. I don't know, man. It's dope. You got your, what it say on the side? AJ33, designed and engineered to the exact specifications for flight. You got your ejection tab right here. I guess that's to loosen the sneaker. It's just dope. It's a dope basketball shoe. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this. I'm shipping this out today. I'm glad that he entrusted me to get his pair. These sold out within 10 minutes on the sneakers app. After I left Footlocker getting these, there was only a size 10 left on the sneakers app. By the time I got home, that was gone. They were sold out. So as many people said they didn't like this shoe, they sure didn't sit around long. So I think it's dope, man. I think it's dope. It's different. It's a completely new silhouette. It's a completely new sneaker, and it was only $175. And for those of you that didn't know, I hope, because there's a couple people in front of me in line that they didn't know that you could have used your discounts on this. I got $20 off of this new release, on top of it already being $175 for a completely new Air Jordan. So I got this for like $15 below retail on top of that. So I'm glad I'm able to ship this off to him. Got it for a crazy deal. Hey, I hope all of you guys used your, if you had any Footlocker discounts, I hope that you used them. And with all that being said, man, I'm going to get out of y'all's way. Let me know in the comment section down below if y'all cop these. OV!